back, friends. In this video we are going to talk about the paleontological evidences in support of the evolution. Okay, so we know that our earth, it is formed of several layers. Okay, and we are calling these layers as stratas. Okay, and this layer, it is the layers of rock. Okay, so by studying this layer by layer and these layers, we can study the evolution. Okay, so in between, these layers, uh, during the process of the formation of these layers, there are some fossil that get entrapped in between these layers. Okay, okay, so these fossils, or we can see them as also the imprints, with the course of time they get covered in a stony form, okay, of the object. Okay, and these provide the support to the evolution. Okay, so now what happened when the scientist or the researcher, they were studying these layers or the stratas of the earth, they found that there is a serial sequence. Okay, the serial sequence. And what is serial sequence means? Okay, so what does the serial sequence mean? Serial sequence means that the life has originated from the simpler to the complexity. Okay, so from simple to complex. Okay, and in the scientific language, if we talk about, then it become apparent from the study of the fossil that it's a serial sequence, that evolution of the life take place. It's a gradual process. Okay, it's a gradual process. And first of all, the lower animals are formed, and then the higher animals. Okay, so if you want to clearly understand, suppose this is the first layer, this is the second layer, this is the third layer, and the fourth layer. So in the innermost layer, what they found, that there are the fossils of invertebrates. Okay, so first the invertebrate fossils are found. Then what happened? Then sequentially there is the fossil of fish. After fish, amphibia, and then reptiles are formed. Okay, okay. After reptiles, the researchers, they found that there are the fossils of apes, that is the birds, and then the mammals. Okay, okay, so we can see it from here that the life has originated from the simplicity, that is from the invertebrate. It gives rise to the fish, and then amphibia, then there are reptiles, then there is evolution of apes, and finally the highly evolved form, that is the mammals, are present. Okay, now in between there are some missing links also. Nature is very beautiful. Okay, so it will always give a surprise to us. And there the researcher, they have found some missing links also. The most famous missing link is the Archaeopteryx. Okay, okay, and this Archaeopteryx, the scientists, they are researcher, they have found the whole complete body. Okay, so in the Archaeopteryx, it has the characteristic of reptilia as well as the apes. So it possesses both the characteristics. Okay, so what reptile do? They will just, they have scales in their body, okay, and they have some tooths also. And apes, their body is covered by the feathers, right? To and wings also, they have wings to fly, okay. So the archaeopteryx, I will write for you. There are the characteristic from both reptilia as well as the apes. So its body is covered with the feather. Okay, it even possesses the beak like structure, okay. So it has the beak like organ. Okay, and it has jaws also, and the jaw has teeth also, okay. And the body also possesses a tail, okay. So now this the presence of the teeth, jaw and tail, these are the characteristics of the reptilia, okay. And the feathery body is the characteristic of the ape. So it is proved from this fossil that during the time interval, the reptilian group, it has originated, which gives rise to the apes class, okay. So the apes, they have originated from the reptile class, they by undergoing some by undergoing evolution and developing some new characters, okay. So archaeopteryx is the missing link that provide the evidence for the evolution. I hope it is clear for you. Thank you for watching the video.